Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Wrapped in Christmas once again. And this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Wrapped in Christmas, and we're going to be using Let the Joy of the Season Fill Your Heart. I have a piece of garden green. And then I have our stamp mounted on clear block D. I'm going to bring in my real red stamping pad. So we'll ink this up. And I'm going to put it in the center here. All right. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Emboss and Cut that is now available for purchase. Are you so excited? Okay, I have the HIPPO and Friends dies and the red foil sheets, and that comes in a 2-pack with the red and the green. And I didn't really measure how big the paper was or anything. I just kind of eyeballed and cut with the size of the die. So look at how easy this is. Isn't it great? I love this machine, and not just because I sell it. Honestly, I love it. All right, so we have these two pieces. We'll put those aside. I have a piece of the 'Tis the Season 6x6 Designer Series paper. This is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have a piece of real red, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to bring in my silicone sheet and my Stampin' Seal. I just find that it's so much easier to get the adhesive started, and I know there's a learning curve, so soon we'll be using it like the old stuff. Alright, so it's just going to make a nice thin little border. Next, I have the real red braided linen trim. So I'm just going to put that down with some tape. And I think I'm going to put it across twice. Yeah, just like that. Get my paper snips. All right. See, I did that like that. I'm getting better. All right. Our card base is garden green, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've already scored it at 4 1/4. So we'll put this down. I'm going to get this piece, put some adhesive on the back. Getting to be a pro at this. Alright, and it's going to make a nice little border. Pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I've been liking putting the Stampin' Dimensionals on the card where I kind of want it. Seems to be working. Of course, the time that I brag that it's working, it's not going to work. Such is life. It worked! For the embellishments, I have these wonderful gems. And that's the name of them. They're not just wonderful gems. So, I'm going to use these red ones. I think I'm going to put them in the corners. Yeah, let's do 4. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!